Close your eyes and imagine this. A world where your money works for you, not the other way around. You wake up in the morning to see your bank account has grown while you slept. This isn't fantasy. It's passive income, and it's the key to transforming your financial life. Passive income begins with one word: leverage. Imagine building a tiny snowball at the top of a hill. At first you have to push it, carefully shaping it as it grows. But once you release it, gravity takes over. It rolls faster, gets bigger, and requires no effort from you. That snowball? It's your source of passive income. Here's how to build it. Start small, but start smart. For many, it begins with investments, index funds, dividend stocks, or rental properties. Take the story of Sarah. She wasn't a financial wizard, just a teacher with $500. She bought a few shares in a dividend stock, reinvested the earnings, and slowly expanded her portfolio. 5 years later, her passive income covers her mortgage. But it's not just about stocks. Consider digital products. Have a skill? Turn it into an online course. Write an ebook. Create something once and sell it forever. Like James, who spent one weekend designing a budgeting app. Now, every month, the app generates income while he focuses on his passion for travel. Here's the secret. Passive income isn't completely hands-off at first. It requires setup, an investment of time, money, or creativity. But because you put in that initial effort, you create freedom. Therefore, don't chase quick wins. Build systems that can grow. Passive income isn't just money, it's freedom. Freedom to wake up without financial stress. Freedom to focus on what matters. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to start. You just need a plan and the courage to take the first step. So what's your snowball? Push it now and let the momentum carry you to the life you've always dreamed of.